Welcome! We're thrilled to have you as a part of the Tacoma Subaru family. Our goal is simple: to make every visit quick, transparent, and less complicated. Our commitment doesn't end with the sale. Our team is here to give you the care and expertise you deserve, from routine maintenance to the unexpected. To help make it easy, we have some of the best technicians around. They'll use the latest equipment and best quality parts to keep your vehicle in top shape. Getting started is easy. You can either give us a call or go online and make an appointment. With a few clicks, it's done. Some jobs don't need any appointment at all. For a quick oil change, tire rotation, or other minor maintenance, we offer express service. It's in the building located to the right of the dealership. Just look for the sign. We handle all makes and models, and there's no appointment needed. Our main service area, which is conveniently connected to the dealership building, handles more complex tasks. Our advisors will guide you every step of the way. They'll explain what's going on, answer your questions, and make sure the whole process is smooth, transparent, and tailored to what you need. And while you're in our service lounge, enjoy perks like free Wi-Fi, coffee, and more. Our goal is to make your whole experience hassle-free. Ready to make your vehicle truly yours? Our parts and accessories team has you covered. Whether you're thinking about performance upgrades, adding personal touches, or anything in between, we'll help you find exactly what you need. With our knowledgeable parts staff and factory-trained techs, we're here to bring your ideas to life. We even sell tires, so you can get everything done in one convenient stop. If you want to learn more details about any of our services, be sure to visit us online. It's also a great way to see if there are any current online coupons that will save you money. Our service specials change often, so check in each month. No matter what your vehicle needs, we're here to get it handled with care. Our goal is to make servicing your vehicle quick, transparent, and less complicated. We'll be here for you every mile down the road.